Lesson 1.3, Convert Unit Rates. The relationship among some commonly used customary and metric units of measure are shown in the tables below. Each of the relationships in the table can be written as a unit ratio. Like a unit rate, a unit ratio is one in which the denominator is 1 unit. And the process of including units of measure as factors when you compute is called dimensional analysis. So if we look at a couple examples here. Example A, a gull can fly at a speed of 22 miles per hour. About how many feet per hour can the gull fly? So just like when we converted between systems, we're going to do the same process here. First I'm going to start with, well, what do they give me? They tell me the gull can go 22 miles in 1 hour. And then I want to know how many feet per hour is that. So since I'm in miles, they asked me to be in feet, so I need to take that times another ratio. Since I have miles in the numerator, it needs to go in the denominator to cancel, and I'm converting to feet. So then we go back to our chart. We compare feet to miles. Well, it tells us there's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. So I put 5,280 next to my feet label and 1 next to my miles label. So miles cancel. Then I'm in hours. They want us to stay in hours, so we can go ahead and multiply. So 22 times 5,280 is 116,160, and then I have feet. Over 1 times 1 is 1, and I have hours left. So 22 miles per hour is the same thing as 116,160 feet. Example B, an Amtrak train travels at 125 miles per hour. Convert the speed to miles per minute and round to the nearest 10. Okay, so again, I'm going to start off with, well, what do they give me? They tell me the train is going 125 miles per 1 hour. And I want to know how many miles per minute that is. Okay, so I'm in miles. We want to stay in miles, so I leave that alone. I'm in hours. They asked me to go to minutes. So we're going to take that times another ratio. Since hours is in the denominator, we need to put it in the numerator to cancel, and we're converting to minutes. And we know that there's 60 minutes in 1 hour, so now our hours cancel. So now I'm in miles per minute, which is what they ask. So we multiply, so 125 miles times 1 is 125 miles. And then 1 times 60 minutes is 60 minutes. And then again, I want it as a unit ratio. So I need to get 1 in the denominator per 1 minute. So I'm going to take numerator divided by denominator, which gives me 2.1 miles over 1 minute. So 125 miles per hour is the same thing as 2.1 miles per minute.